want you to cry. One teardrop from my eye.